Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live. We are 15 days, 15 hours, 38 minutes away from history in Canada. Recreational legalization will be happening on October 17th. And look at the markets. My goodness. Naturally Splendid is on full alert, breaking out 73%, OGEN up 48%, ABIO up 32%, NBEV up 33%, IGC up 27%, PMCB up 19%, Tesla up 16%, Liberty Health LHS up 15%, GBLX up 16%. The list goes on and on. Tree Knowledge TRKWF up 15%. It just keeps rolling. Unbelievable. Tilray up 13% to $162. EXX up 14%. LGC Capital up 13%. HIPH bouncing off a bottom up 14%. ICAN up 13%. Harvest One Cannabis, one that I own and love, up 13%. Water WTER up 8%. And Blue Sky Uranium BSK up 10%, just to name a few of the winners right now. And look at the red. There's a little bit of red and a lot of green. And if we go to the marijuana index, you can actually see that we are in deep green today. The Canadian index up 2%, 17 points to 819. The American index up 2%, 3.58 points. And we are up almost 3% across North America. It's true. So very strong day today with only 15 days away from legalization. So what is it that your boy Rich wanted to bring you today? I want to bring you the winners. So let's talk about it right here, right now. First and foremost, I want to give you the top 10 stocks that I am watching for October 2018, okay? And in number 10 spot, Eve & Co. Incorporated, EVE.VN. They are number 10 on my list. They are a company that I own. I've just recently purchased them. They've just come on my radar, and I believe they could be an unbelievable long-term winner. They're up 46% in the last month. I do not think that this is a company that has exploded yet. I think this is a company that's just getting started, and you can see they've been included to the Horizons Marijuana Life Sciences ETF. That is why they are number 10 on my list. I own them, I love them, and I think they can be a huge winner. Number 9, a company that's been in the news lately. The news on this company has been staggering. Absolutely staggering. The Supreme Cannabis Corporation, another really good long-term buy, 80% on bar chart. They are number 9 on my list. SPRWF in America, Fire in Canada at $2.26. You can see over the last year how have they performed. They are up 80% in the last year and 20% in the last month alone. So I got Fire as number 9 on my list, one that you should definitely look into and something that you should have in your portfolio because they are making moves. Another one that has been doing really, really, really well lately is Pure Global Cannabis Corp. They are number 8 on my list. Put PURE on your watch list. Put it on your radar. Pure Global Cannabis Corp, a company that I love, still really, really cheap, only at 35 cents here in Canada. I believe that they could be a big winner, only a 16% buy on bar chart. But at these prices, I think that they're too good to pass up. And you can see they're up 218% in the last year. 55% in the last 3 months and 12% in the last month. Try to buy it on the dip, but I think it's a company. I've talked about it before. Before they've gone up recently, I brought it to your attention. I think it's a company that can still go higher. Another one that I want you to put on your list of companies that have huge potential for October 2018 and beyond is Crop Infrastructure Corp, one that I've talked to you about a lot. CROP here in Canada, a 72% buy on bar chart, up 10% on the day. Crop is one that I love, up 140% in the last month, 315% in the last 3 months, and similar over the last year. So what do you think about some of these picks so far? So far, we've got Eve, Fire, Pure, and Crop. Those are my top 4 so far, going from 10, 9, 8, and 7. And in number 6 spot, let's talk about HIP. HIP Brands, New Strike Brands Limited. Here it is. HIP up 2% today. It's only an 8% buy on bar chart, but this is a company that has licenses for 5 major provinces in Canada. So this is a company that I believe long-term is going to benefit greatly from legalization. So NWKRF in America, HIP in Canada, New Strike Brands Limited. They are number 6 on my list of my top 10 stocks to own in October 2018. What do you think about this list so far? Remember, we're halfway through this list. Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Don't invest in it because you heard it here first. Invest in it because you love it, okay? Now, with only 15 days, 15 hours, 31 minutes, and 42 seconds away from history, I believe those 5 companies, Eve, Fire, Pure, Crop, HIP, are amazing long-term winners. And if you get into them in October, you might be able to make some money short-term, but you'll also be able to make some good money long-term. So that's why I think that these are great companies for you to watch. Now let's get into our top 5. So in 5th spot, this is a company I own, a company I love, is a long-term winner, and I think has so much potential. InMed Pharmaceuticals, IN, up only 1% today. They are a weak sell, an 8% sell, but I'm telling you, they're close to a 52-week low, and I think this is a company that has enormous upside. You can see that, well, not really a 52-week low, but you can see they've been much higher. 52-week high is 240, 52-week low is 36 cents. So they are up 125% from last year, but only up 33% in the last 3 months, and so far only up 12% in the last month. So it has not exploded yet, but this is a company that I think has the potential to be a huge winner. The symbol is IMLFF in America, IN in Canada, and they are bringing news all the time. They've just recently filed a PCT patent application for the treatment of pain with cannabinoids. And InMed Pharmaceutical is a Canadian-based preclinical stage biopharmaceutical company. The company is engaged in the research and development of novel cannabinoid-based therapies combined with drug delivery systems. They are number 5 on my list. Number 4, Harvest One. Love this company, own this company, think it has so much potential, and bam, 60% buy on bar chart. They're number 4 on my list. They're bouncing up 12% today, and this is a company that I see huge potential for. Strong buy on bar chart right now, starting to build momentum. Up, it's one that hasn't exploded yet. Up only 51% since last year, 46% in the last 3 months, 21% in the last month, and you can see they've had some big news recently. Harvest One expands national retail presence with Manitoba Supply Agreement and becomes a registered supplier in Saskatchewan. Another company that I think has so much potential, Harvest One, number 4 on my list. Number 3 on my list, another company that I own and I love. This company has so much potential. It's unbelievable. XLY at only $1.18. This has got to be a gift from the stock gods. Dirt cheap, but with so many partnerships, a 24% buy on bar chart. I see huge upside for XLY long term, even on the short term, up 61% in the last year. This has not exploded yet. And once again, 61% in the last 3 months and 21% in the last month. So you can see it's coming off of a bottom. It was at a bottom in August 14th. It hit the 52-week low. You can see here, Oxley Cannabis Group and Kene Bosem Biotechnology Inc. announced strategic investment and partnership and name change of KBB to ICC International Cannabis Corp. So they're doing big news. They've also done a big deal with Huge. Love this company. Cannabis Wheaton Income Corp is an investment and merchant company. It seeks to provide investor returns through streams and capital appreciation in the cannabis industry of Canada. Love them. They're number 3 on my list. If you like this video, smash the like button. Please, guys, if you like, and girls, if you like my picks, comment down below. Share the video everywhere. Remember, if I win and you win, we all win. It's true. XLY is number 3 on my list. Number 2, a company that I love, a company that I think has so much potential. Friday Night, TGIF in Canada, TGIFF in America. At only $39.98 in America right now. It's dirt cheap. A 48% buy on bar chart. One of the top 30 companies in North America generating revenue right now, but still under 50 cents in Canada and in America. I think this is a must own in your portfolio. It's a 185% up in the last year, 54% in the last 3 months, 30% in the last month, and I think it's got so much room for growth. TGIF, love this company. You can see that they just announced a name change to 1933 Industries Inc. and continuation into British Columbia, where I'm at. Love me some TGIF. This is one you need to have in your portfolio. You need to have on your watch list. I believe long-term this company can only grow bigger. They are big in the Las Vegas market, and I think they will explode. And number 1 on my list, one that if you're part of my community, you know I've been talking about nonstop. I love this company. I think it has so much potential. MPX Bioscientific Corp, generating $14 million in the quarter, in the top 5 companies generating revenue right now in the entire industry, but priced to buy under $1 right now. MPX in Canada, a 72% buy on bar chart. I love this company. It is up 206% in the last year, 46% in the last 3 months, 16% in the last month alone, and I still think it's dirt cheap. What do you think about this list? I got MPX in number 1 as a company that you need to have in your watch list, on your radar, in your portfolio in October 2018. TGIF in number 2, XLY number 3, Harvest One number 4, HVT, IN number 5, HIP number 6, Crop number 7, Pure number 8, Fire number 9, and Eve number 10. That's the Rich TV Live Top 10 for October 2018 and beyond. 10 picks that are all cheap that I think long-term could make you rich. It's true. This is your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We are 15 days, 15 hours, 25 minutes, and 7 seconds away from history. Thank you for watching. Holler at your boy. Now remember, you want these picks? All you got to do is go to www.richtvlive.com, hover over stocks, and you will be able to see all the tools you need right there, absolutely free. Go over to news, find all the cannabis news and trending news all over the world. And if you want to join our community, you can go to Secret Stock Groups and download Amino, the Amino app, and join it either on your computer, on your phone. You can join our Slack group, our Discord group, our WhatsApp group is full. There's no more room for more members there. But you're welcome to join us everywhere else. We are blowing up. Our Secret Stock Picks group is a social media platform for investors and entrepreneurs, the first of its kind anywhere in the world, and it's growing fast. Thank you for watching. This is your boy Rich, bringing you the winners. Just gave you 10 picks, absolutely free, that I think can explode in October 2018. It's true. Peace.